Getting pretty deep. Yep. Wow.
Anybody want anything else before I leave the gas station?
Yeah, life jacket.
Can you bring us a life jacket?
Would you want Diet Pepsi?
Yeah, Diet Pepsi and a life jacket.
Wow. Yeah, that's deep.
Well, if you remember correctly, right over there was where the water started cresting.
Yeah.
I mean, started barely going across the street. Now it's all the way across the street right here.
Yep.
And that's another entrance to a fucking casino. And that damn thing, that's a 5-foot fence right there.
Wow.
That's,
Submerged.
yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, it's got, what, 2 inches left?
If that. Yep. Damn. Yeah, well, we didn't get very far on this one.
Go behind.
Oh, shit.